everything. That's a good paint job. You know, a little bit of wet sand to get that all out. It'll be good.
Yeah, well, we got boot edits for his paint correction.
Yeah, you know, a little PPF. Actually, almost too good.
Your own is not there.
I'm gonna post this as on my TikTok. I'm an influencer now. A little DIY influencer. We're just flipping this door. You know, adding a little spice to it.
My car, dude, my neck is red.
Yeah, this is that rustic vibe. Yeah, this actually.
Just turns everything old.
This used to be a barn door.
Refurbished.
Yeah.
You can't even tell.
Honestly, I mean, that looks just like a window. That looks so much better through the phone, see?
Oh, yeah.
It actually looks spotless through the phone.
You know, it's gonna do.
It does. Can you imagine? Just, yeah, you get to walk out and see this every day when you go to work. Dude.
Come on now.
American dream right there.
I wouldn't call it American dream.
It is perfect spray paint leather. You know, once you have that hoodie on, that's how you know you can spray paint
Once your
outside.
fingers start going numb after they're out of your pockets for a while, that's how you know it's the perfect time to paint.
Look, I'm just filling in all the grooves in the wood.
The fucking run.
It can't be a run if the whole thing's wet.
You're starting to get it soaked in is all you're doing.
I'm getting that good base for the black. You know.
Oh, you found the ball again.
I just had to empty half the can. I'm gonna have fucking arthritis by the time I'm spraying this door.
Well, now it even looks even better through the Fed.
It really does. Dude.